Hi, welcome to my beautiful garden. Have you ever been one of these people, you look at all of this beautiful product and wonder where it came from? I'm going to tell you. Welcome to my studio. My name is Ellen Carey and I am the creator and designer from Wet Nose and Bows, and I love to do nothing but share product. And we are so fortunate. We have created a group, and the group is called Buying Seasons. We have over 450 people in that group. It is a membership group, but what's it about? It's about all of this beauty, for everything that you see. All of my product is exclusive to Wet Nose and Bows. We started Buying Seasons so that we could make the product for Wet Nose and Bows only, which makes it a lot easier for our members to get the product. The tip of Buying Seasons is we get 10% off, or we offer you 10% off all the product that you purchase. Anything from classes that we offer to product, you get 10% off. One thing that we have just started that I am very excited about, actually, let me give you a minute of history. We have partnered with Love That Ribbon, which is a wonderful company that provides all our product. And we have been very blessed to meet two amazing ladies that have done nothing over the years but make Wet Nose and Bows and Buying Seasons absolutely perfect. One of the owners of Love That Ribbon, Therese, has started a new program in Buying Seasons, and it's called Shop That Look. And what we do is I will create this piece or whatever piece, and then a full list is provided. Now, also as a member of Buying Seasons, I go live in that group at least twice a month, not only showing product, but making arrangements. This is a lovely piece. And again, this is all Love That Ribbon. Everything that you see here has come from Love That Ribbon and our Buying Seasons membership group. So if you would like to be a part of what is literally my favorite thing to do, and that's share product, how to use product, answer any questions, and just really have a good time, share an afternoon with a lot of like-minded people, then Buying Seasons is the group that you want to join. We are providing the link in the comments for you to go to our website and sign up for Buying Seasons. Thank you so much.